Hi, I'm Larry Gilbert here from MrHardware.com, here to show you the very best way to put a toilet tank back onto the bowl. This is going to be pretty important here. We have this bowl assembly. We're going to clamp this bolt to the tank, metal, rubber, china. A lot of toilet tanks leak where the bolt connects it to the bowl because maybe it got disturbed or things got old, seal goes bad at the tank. This particular example is one where the tank is only held on by a nut at the bottom of the bowl. So if the tank gets disturbed, it can leak. When I get a bolt kit these days, it comes with rubber washers, metal washers, nuts, and a wing nut. This is going to be pretty important here. We have this bowl assembly. We're going to clamp this bolt to the tank, and then when we put it onto the bowl, it would already be watertight on the tank. We'll have a rubber washer as a cushion, a metal washer, and a wing nut to secure it. That's going to be the best way to assemble this. When this toilet tank bolt goes in, inside the tank there should be no metal washers. Amateurs always want to put a washer under the head of the bolt first. No. Metal, rubber, china. So when we put it through and we put a washer and a nut on, we tighten it just till the washer starts to pucker inside the tank. We don't tighten it to death because we don't want to stress and crack the tank, but we don't want it so loose it may leak. We don't want to have to come back to this again. These tight, secured, watertight, pre-sealed. Uncle Harry leans in the tank and it wobbles, they're not going to leak. Drop it on to the bowl. There's a lot of play. We have a rubber washer, a flat washer, and then a wing nut. The rubber washer is the cushion. The flat washer keeps the nut from hurting the rubber. I snug up these two washers. I'm sitting on the tank. The bowl gasket is foam. So there's a little play on this. So you tighten this down so it's even. I use this to level out the tank also because I got quite a bit of cushion on that foam tank to bolt gasket. There you go. I don't over tighten it. Take out most of the wiggle. So there it is. The best way to put a set of tank bolts on a tank and reassemble it with the sub nut system. Quick tip from MrHardware.com.